Gippsland Critical Minerals acknowledges the Gunai-Kurnai people as the traditional custodians of the land on which the Fingerboards project is located and pays respect to elders past and present.
What is a mining and rehabilitation demonstration pit? The demo pit is a reduced-scale trial designed to test how mined areas can be effectively rehabilitated. Located on the northeastern side of the Fingerboards project area, the demo pit site covers a total footprint of around 4 hectares. The actual pit is approximately 150 metres long, 55 metres wide, and up to 22 metres deep. The depth at this location represents the approximate average ore depth across the Fingerboards mining area, with geological and soil conditions that closely match those expected during mining. This allows us to gather, test, and validate the data needed to inform the full-scale design. How will the demo pit work? First, we carefully remove the topsoil and store it in long mounds around the site. These mounds, known as windrows, are hydro-mulched to prevent erosion, retain moisture, and keep the soil healthy until it is returned to the land during rehabilitation. Next, we remove the subsoil layer and keep it in separate stockpiles from the topsoil where it is also hydro-mulched. We then remove the next level of rock and soil, called overburden, to reach the ore. This ore is separated using gravity and water to produce a heavy mineral concentrate, which is safely stored for further testing. The remaining material, mostly sand and clay, is called tailings and is returned directly to the pit. The pit is backfilled with the remaining overburden, which is profiled and then capped with subsoil and topsoil, ready for planting and rehabilitation. Under the guidance of an expert local agronomist, the area is seeded and monitored to confirm stable, productive pasture. The trial will last approximately 7 months, with monitoring ongoing for several years. Earthworks are limited to daylight hours and are subject to permitting weather conditions in line with actual mine operations. Why are we doing a demonstration pit? This demonstration pit is about providing proof, not promises, and puts our mining methods to the test under real-world conditions. It is also a requirement of our retention licence set by the Victorian Government. The data collected from the trial will inform and guide key technical and environmental studies, including air quality, surface water, groundwater, soils, noise, and vibration, which will be independently assessed and publicly exhibited as part of Victoria's most rigorous environmental regulatory process, the Environmental Effects Statement. We're committed to keeping the community informed and look forward to welcoming the Community Reference Group and the broader community onto the MRDP site to see the process firsthand. To learn more or get in touch, visit gippslandcriticalminerals.com.